Hey there, I'm Jared with the Annuity Expert. Today, we're going over a common question we get. Can I put my pension in a Roth IRA? Now, this is an important topic because when it comes to retirement planning, understanding your tax implications is key. So let's dive in. First off, the big thing to know is that rolling over a pension into a Roth IRA is a taxable event. That means you'll need to pay taxes on the amount rolled over, as Roth IRAs are funded with after-tax dollars. But here's the good news. By paying those taxes now, you're setting yourself up for tax-free growth in the future. And that's one of the major long-term advantages of a Roth IRA. We take your individual tax situation into account to help you understand exactly what your tax burden will look like. We'll go over the numbers to estimate the taxes you'll pay on that rollover amount, so there are no surprises. Our goal here is to make sure you're fully prepared and can make an informed decision that works for you both now and in the future. Now, maybe you're thinking, is there a way to convert my tax-deferred money to tax-free without a huge tax bill? And the answer is yes. We can stress test your financial plan, exploring alternative methods that let you move from tax-deferred to tax-free money without the unexpected tax hit. This is all about finding the most tax-efficient strategy for your unique situation, so you're maximizing your retirement savings without the hefty tax burden. When you take the time to understand and plan for the tax implications up front, you avoid those unexpected tax bills. Plus, you'll have the confidence of knowing your pension is being managed in the most tax-efficient way possible. And that's peace of mind that's hard to beat. So, to answer the main question, yes, you can roll over your pension into a Roth IRA, but keep in mind it's a taxable event. This means you'll pay taxes on the amount you transfer because Roth IRAs are funded with after-tax dollars. By planning carefully, you can make this move without surprises and set yourself up for tax-free growth in retirement. So, if you want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out. You can visit us online at The Annuity Expert or call to schedule a free consultation at 770-755-1565. Again, that's 770-755-1565. Also, if you want more tips on your retirement, like and subscribe. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for your future.